Hi, buddies, Jose at Wire Ninjas. We build systems and circuits of integrity. We're also Dreamedia's preferred partner in New Jersey. Today, we're in Robinsville, New Jersey, where we're going to show you how to install a 6-inch in-ceiling speaker from TruAudio. Today, we have the TruAudio Phantom PP6. This is the speaker. Little branding. Very nice. Nice, clean speaker. Super clean, tight grill. I think they call it the Phantom grill. No, it's the Ghost grill. Little ghost guy. Yeah, it's the Ghost grill. I really like this speaker because it comes in at a great cost and you get premium features such as the flush to the wall grill and wonderful sound as well, all at a really good cost. That's the grill. Another thing I like, and I have nothing against this particularly, but I like that it has no badge. It looks cleaner to me in a way because when you're putting these in the ceiling, you kind of don't know which way to situate the badge. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes aesthetically it's like, So some brands give you a separate badge sticker. Some just have it printed on the grill. I like the fact that they have no badge on the grill. Do a lot of speaker installs, a lot of in-ceiling, and I care a lot about aesthetics, so I actually really like the aesthetics of these. So we have the speaker here. We have one line ready. We have Steve here. He's ready. He's going to show us how to install the speaker. Steve, you know what I noticed is the drywallers did a terrible job. We might need to cut that a little bit, right? Let me get you a little knife here. Yeah, I stole the knife to open boxes and now it's gone. Sorry, buddies. All right. Get a little modification here. Do we need to, right? We have to. Oh God, that's not gonna play out real well. Let's see if she fits. Sorry, buddies, technical difficulties. You can't stuff her, buddy. She's not gonna work if you stuff her. All right, we're gonna take a pause there. We're gonna cut out that speaker cutout because the drywallers did an awful job in 2 ways up there. So we'll be right back. All right, gang. All right, guys, so I got my utility Lennox knife here and made that cutout a little bit better. It looks like they screwed up, try to fix it. They kind of fixed it. You can see like there's definitely some issues. They're gonna have to fix that, man. But let's focus. Speaker install. Speaker's gonna get wired into the terminals. We have a red and black terminal, bang, bang. Red's going to red, black is going to black. Try to get a good angle on this guy. Let me move this. Whoa, whatever's in here. All right. Now he's gonna pop her up there, flush to the wall. One hand to hold it, the other hand to use his manual screwdriver to secure the bracket. So there's 4 screws on this speaker. He's got a hand torque 4 of them. If he at least torques 2 of them, he can let it hang off the hooks. Safer would be 3 or 4, but it helps to use the buddy system here too. If someone holds the speaker in place, it's much easier for the other gentleman to just do his job of screwing the bracket in place. So all he's gonna do is turn that, clockwise until he feels that it's torqued. We want to torque, but not over torque. Once they're getting close, you can let your hand off. But see, even if I let my hand off, all 4 hooks are suspending the speaker. It's nice to hold it though while he screws it in because it gets nice and flush. He's just double checking over his work, making sure they're all torqued. That's your final finished product right there. The last step is gonna be putting the speaker grill on. There's a little mesh that goes in front of it. Very nice. Grill sticks to the magnets. She's magnetized, she's flush, she's looking good. That's your final finished product. We'll go down the line, show you guys what these speakers look like in the ceiling. Pardon the little damage there on the drywall. That is not our fault. All right, buddies. It was simple, it was straightforward, but it was necessary. I like to show you how this stuff works so you can be successful in your own installations. Good luck out there in the field, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.